Hi everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to hide friend list on Facebook. Now to do that, open the Facebook application and then get logged into the account at first. Now once you have been logged into the Facebook account, what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner. Tap that, and from here you need to scroll down to the bottom, tap on Setting and Privacy. Then tap on Setting. In the Setting and Privacy, you need to scroll down to the Audience and Visibility. Inside it, you need to find the option How People Find and Contact You. You tap on it. Now here you will be able to make those changes of hiding friend list. For that, you need to tap on the second option, Who Can See Your Friend List. Tap on it. Currently, the setting is saved to public, that is, everyone on Facebook who will view your profile will be able to see the friend list of yours on Facebook. For you to hide it, you have few options available: friend, friend accept. If you tap on see more, their specific friend, and only me. So for you to hide it, all you have to do is tap on only me option. Once you do that, nobody on Facebook while viewing your profile will be able to see the friend list of yours. Only you will be able to see that list. This is the way how you can hide your friend list on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.